Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two things. You have a Microsoft account ready, and your PSN is signed into the Ps5. Next, update the Ps5 system and the game. This avoids version mismatch. Once done, open the game on the Ps5 and look for the account or sign-in option. Make sure your network is stable. If possible, use wired Ethernet. This first step puts you in the exact menu where the Ps5 will generate the remote sign-in code you need. Once the game shows the 8-digit remote connect code, open a browser on your phone or PC and go to aka ms/remote connect. You will be prompted to sign into Microsoft. Do that with the account you want linked. Then enter the code from the Ps5 screen. This authorizes the console. Make sure you accept any permission prompts. This step exchanges credentials so your Microsoft identity maps to your PSN, enabling crossplay, cloud access, and friends syncing. You finish by confirming prompts on the Ps5 and in the browser. Say yes to required permissions and privacy choices so features can work. Once linked, open your friends list and crossplay settings to verify status. Cloud saves and purchases should now align. If the code fails or linking stalls, restart the Ps5 and the game, clear cache by fully powering off, then retry the remote connect flow. Also verify you signed into the correct Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.